Ever wondered if there's another Earth out there? A planet that could potentially sustain life like our home? What if we told you that such a planet might already have been discovered? Enter Kepler-22b, an exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of a sun-like star, Kepler-22. Discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, this intriguing world is located about 640 light-years from Earth. Could this volatile-rich planet, with its potential for hosting extraterrestrial life, be our Earth 2.0? Welcome to a journey across the cosmos, as we delve into the mysteries of Kepler-22b. In the constellation of Cygnus, about 640 light-years away, lies a planet that has piqued the interest of astronomers worldwide. Enter Kepler-22b. Discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope in the twilight of 2011, this distant exoplanet caught the eyes of scientists due to its unique positioning. Orbiting within what's known as the habitable zone of its sun-like star, Kepler-22, this planet sits at just the right distance to potentially support life as we know it. The host star itself, Kepler-22, is a G-type star. It's slightly smaller and cooler than our Sun, but it shares enough similarities to make us wonder about the possibilities of life beyond our solar system. Kepler-22b, with a radius roughly twice that of Earth, orbits its star with an inclination of approximately 90 degrees, completing a full orbit in about 290 days. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. Kepler-22b is thought to be a volatile-rich planet with a liquid or gaseous outer shell. Some estimates even suggest it might be a water world or ocean-like planet. However, its exact mass and surface composition remain largely unknown, leaving plenty of room for speculation and further research. But what makes Kepler-22b so special? Why do we consider it a potential Earth 2.0? Kepler-22b isn't just another exoplanet. Its unique characteristics have led scientists to believe it could potentially harbor life. Nestled within the habitable zone of its sun-like star, Kepler-22, this intriguing world is located approximately 640 light-years away from us, in the constellation of Cygnus. Now, let's talk dimensions. Kepler-22b is no small rock floating in space. With a radius nearly twice that of our own planet, it's a sizable celestial body. But it's not just the size that's interesting. This exoplanet is believed to have a volatile-rich composition. This essentially means it could be brimming with elements that readily transition into gas under the conditions on the planet. Going deeper into its composition, some estimates suggest Kepler-22b may be a water world or ocean-like planet. Imagine that, an entire world potentially covered in vast alien oceans. But remember, these are just theories. We don't yet have enough data to concretely determine the surface composition of this distant planet. Kepler-22b orbits its host star with an orbital period of about 290 days, a little less than our Earth year. It's also inclined at approximately 90 degrees, similar to the tilt of our own planet. But what about the temperature? Well, this is where it gets really interesting. Kepler-22b has a moderate surface temperature. This, coupled with its location within the habitable zone, makes it a potential candidate for hosting extraterrestrial life. It's not too hot, not too cold, it's just right, leading some to call it the Goldilocks of exoplanets. With such striking characteristics, it's no wonder Kepler-22b has become a subject of intense study and speculation. But could it truly be our Earth 2.0? Kepler-22b's similarities with Earth are undeniably intriguing. But is it truly a viable second home for humanity? This exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of the sun-like star Kepler-22 has a radius roughly twice that of Earth and is speculated to have a volatile-rich composition. Its liquid or gaseous outer shell has led some to suggest it may be a water world or an ocean-like planet. However, the mystery of Kepler-22b extends beyond its surface. There's still much to learn about its orbit, which currently stands at an estimated 290 days. And while its surface temperature is moderate, we're yet to understand fully what this means for the potential of extraterrestrial life. Despite its intriguing characteristics, the reality is that we need more research. We need to delve deeper into this distant world to truly understand its potential as a second Earth, a place that could, perhaps, one day host life as we know it. So, while Kepler-22b might be a distant cousin of Earth in the vast cosmos, only time will tell if it can truly be our Earth 2.0. Until then, the mystery continues.